Assalomu alaykum Arabjon Education kanalining muxlislari. Bugun sizlar bilan navbatdagi darsimizni o'tamiz. Demak, bugun asosan practice'ga oid bo'ladi darslarimiz. Mashqlar bajaramiz. Biz sizlar bilan 3-unitni boshlagan edik. Shuni davom etamiz. Demak, e'tiboringizga havola qilingan rasmlarni qarating. Look at the pictures of Diego and Grace. Where are they? Where are they? Ular qayerda? Diego is on a taxi, on a car, sitting. Diego is sitting on his car. Grace is serving to the clients. Selling something, right? Nimanidir sotyapti. Grace. Hop. And now listen to the conversations. Complete the chart. This is a chart. Bu jadval. Bu jadvalni hozir eshitadigan audiomiz asosida to'ldiramiz. Uning uchun sizlar avvalo jadvalni daftaringizga chizib, har doimgidek daftar uchga kitoblaringiz bilan tayyor holatda o'tiribsizlar degan umiddaman. Demak, hozir jadvalni daftarimizga chizamiz. Chizganimizdan keyin birinchi ustunga nimalar yozamiz? First name, surname, country, city or town, phone number, age, job, married. Shularni yozib olamiz. Ikkinchi ustunimizga Diego, uchinchi ustunimiz Grace ma'lumotlari bilan to'ldiramiz. Bizga ba'zi ma'lumotlar berilgan, ba'zilari yo'q. Shu yo'q ma'lumotlarni eshitib to'ldiramiz. Audioni qo'yapman, boshladik. Marhamat.
Diego Hernandez.
Good morning.
Hello,
What's your name, please?
my name's Diego Hernandez.
Thank you. And where are you from, Diego?
I'm from Mexico City.
Thank you. And your telephone number, please.
5546 247 312.
How old are you, Diego?
I'm 42.
And what's your job?
I'm a taxi driver.
And are you married?
No, I'm not.
Thank you very much.
Grace Chu.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, please?
Grace Chu.
And where are you from?
From New York.
Ah, so you're from the United States.
Yes, I am.
What's your phone number?
212-638-9475.
Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 33.
What's your job, Miss Chu?
I'm a shop assistant.
And are you married?
Yes, I am.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Xo'p, endi to'ldirib bo'lgan bo'lsak, bir qator eshitib, tekshirib olamiz.
Diego Hernandez.
Good morning.
Hello,
What's your name, please?
my name's Diego Hernandez.
Thank you. And where are you from, Diego?
I'm from Mexico City.
Thank you. And your telephone number, please.
5546 247 312.
How old are you, Diego?
I'm 42.
And what's your job?
I'm a taxi driver.
And are you married?
No, I'm not.
Thank you very much.
Grace Chu.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
What's your name, please?
Grace Chu.
And where are you from?
From New York.
Ah, so you're from the United States.
Yes, I am.
What's your phone number?
212-638-9475.
Thank you. How old are you?
I'm 33.
What's your job, Miss Chu?
I'm a shop assistant.
And are you married?
Yes, I am.
That's fine. Thank you very much.
Men ham doskaga mana javoblarni havola qildim. Mana shu holatda bo'ladi. Demak, ular to'g'risidagi ma'lumotlarga ega bo'ldik. Endi savollarga javob beramiz. Ask and answer the questions with a partner. Endi sherigimiz bilan birga ishlaymiz. Sherigimiz bilan birgalikda role play tarzida ishlaymiz. Savollarga javob bir-biringlarga berasizlar. Is he a businessman? Is he a businessman? No, he isn't. He is a taxi driver. Is he 42? Is he 42? Yes, he is. Is he married? No, he isn't. And now about Grace. Is Grace from the United States? Yes, she is. Is she a nurse? No, she isn't. She is a shop assistant. Is she 33? Yes, she is. Is she married? Yes, she is. Yaxshi, bu mashqimizni ham tekshirib oldik. Endi 4-mashqimiz Talk about Diego and Grace. Endi bizga savollar berilmaydi. O'zimiz ularni anketasiga qarab, ular haqida gaplar tuzamiz. Masalan, Diego is from Mexico City. His surname is Hernandez. He is 42. His phone number is like this. He is a taxi driver. Tarzda bittasi Diego to'g'risida gapirib bering. Ikkinchisi Grace to'g'risida gapirib bering sherigingizga. Va shu tarzda mashqimiz bajariladi. Doim aytamanki, shunaqa og'zaki mashq berganimda albatta buni bajaringlar, tashlab ketmanglar. Mana shu darsimizni asosini tashkil qiladi. Chunki biz sizga mana shu darsni o'tishdan maqsad shu narsalarni gapirishni o'rgatish. Shu darsni o'tgandan keyin siz shu narsalarni gapirishni bilishingiz kerak. Xo'p, navbatdagi mashqimiz Talking about you. E'tiboringizga havola qilayotgan mashqqa qaranglar. Demak, buni to'ldirishimiz kerak. O'tilgan mavzularga asoslanib, bu bo'sh joylarni to'ldiramiz. Masalan, first name deb so'roq belgisi qo'yibdi. What's your first name? Qolganini ham shu tarzda bajaringlar, marhamat. Xo'p, buni to'ldirib bo'lgan bo'lsak, endi shu savollarni sherigimizga beramiz. Sherigimiz birma-bir javob beradi. Keyin navbat almashamiz, o'rin almashamiz. Shu tarzda bajaramiz. What's your first name?
Arabjon.
What's your surname?
Jo'raboyev.
Where are you from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
What's your phone number?
1806-1985.
How old are you?
I'm 40 years old.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
Yes, I am.
Demak, shu savollarga javob beramiz. Keyingi mashqimiz writing ga asoslanadi. Nima deyapti shartida? Write about another student, read it aloud. Endi hozir 5-mashqda savol berib, o'rtog'imizdan ma'lumotlarni oldik-ku. Shu ma'lumotlar asosida matn yozamiz. Her name is Oqila. She is from Uzbekistan. Her phone number is like this. She is yoshi. She is a student. She is not married tarzda matn yozamiz. Yozib, bir-biringlar bilan tekshirib olinglar, marhamat. yozib bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, men mana doskaga bitta odam to'g'risida misol tariqasida yozdim. O'zinglar shu bilan solishtirib tekshirib olinglar. Endi keyingi mashqimizga o'tamiz. Check it. Bunga oid mashqni o'tgan darsda ham bir bajardik. To'g'risini qoldiramiz. Pitichi qo'yamiz, xatosini, nimaga xatoligini o'zimiz tushuntirib beramiz. Marhamat. Bajaringlar, mana doskada havola turibdi. Faqat ikkitadan katak qo'yib, pitichi qo'yib olsak bo'ldi deganmiz. Buni yozmaymiz hozircha. Xo'p, endi bajarib bo'lgan bo'lsanglar, kelinglar birgalikda tekshiramiz. Mana to'g'ri javoblarni men havolaga qo'ydim. Xo'p, she's name is Anna. Her name is Anna. Bu yerda her name is Anna bo'ladi, chunki uning ismi. She's bu u degani. She's a teacher degan gaplarda she's ishlatamiz. Uning ismida her name is Anna. Ikkinchisida she is a teacher. To'g'ri javob. Uchinchisida his phone number is 7965542. Bo'ladi. Uning telefon nomeri deganimizda his ishlatamiz. To'rtinchisida I am not a doctor. Qisqartirishda you aren't, he isn't larda to be fe'liga qo'shamiz. Lekin I am not bo'lsa, bunda faqatgina I bilan am bir-biriga qisqaradi. Hech qachon am degan variant bo'lmaydi. Buni eslab qolinglar. Demak, 4 ga I'm not a doctor. Tepadagisi to'g'ri. 5. They aren't from Italy. They are no from Italy. Demak, bu yerda to'g'ri javob they aren't from Italy bo'ladi. 6. She is no married. She isn't married. She isn't married to'g'ri javob. She is no married bo'lmaydi. Shu bilan bugungi darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Savollar va takliflar bo'lsa, har doimgidek izohlar qismida qoldiringlar. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.